if you practice with, if you practice with concentration, the chances of mistakes will be reduced. That's a very important point. Please note it. So it's a very interesting point that you could not make it tally. So challenge this question and do it once again, and then we shall discuss. And one more person, please ask me question. Next. Who will ask me now? Hello? Who will ask me? Are you hearing me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So please ask
Yes,
anyone,
sir.
any question you ask. And next time also you make a list of the questions which you want to ask in the online class. That will be better. If you write those things, then you can ask better. So please ask if you have anything.
Sir,
Any doubt?
regarding the
Yeah.
first question,
Yeah, first question. Jack and Jill.
sir, yes, sir, I just calculated trial balance is having the difference of 80.
Yeah, I told you, I guessed you. Trial balance having difference of 80. So balance sheet is having
Yes, sir.
difference of 80. If
Yes, sir.
trial balance is having difference of 80, then balance sheet will be having difference of 80. Naturally. So it is very good, Sahil, that you have discovered the mistake. And Dibosh, please note it. Trial balance is
Because
wrong.
the same problem was having with me, sir. I was also getting the difference of 80 in balance sheet.
Okay, fine. So you get experience from this. From this, you get the experience. I am keeping one simple question in between you and me and discussing, but you shall, when you talk to me and I also talk to your friends, you can have lots of insight, lots of ideas. That's why online class is important, and also viewing the video that will be sharing is very, very important. With concentration, you watch the video with lots of concentration, sit sometimes and watch it. It may be you close your eyes and watch it. So that way you hear it with your headphone or earphone. So that will be giving you lots of ideas. It gives. Okay, this is discovered. This is very good. Sahil has discovered. Any other person, any other question, please? Your doubts, your problems, I want to know. Who will ask me now? Gargi? Anybody can ask me. Anybody may ask me. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, regarding the second question, sir, once you can confirm where will the reserve fund in trial balance will go?
Reserve fund in trial balance credit side is given 10,000. Now, first of
Yes,
all,
sir.
it will be going to balance sheet liability side below capital, right? Not added to
Yes, sir.
capital, right? Yesterday you wrote
Yes, sir.
general reserve in balance sheet
Yes, sir.
liability side. This way, reserve fund will be going to balance sheet, liability side, right? And then there is one more reserve fund in adjustment. They say that
Yes, sir.
10% of the net profit transferred to reserve fund. So in PL appropriation account, debit side, you write to reserve fund, you take 10% of whatever is the net profit.
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever is the net profit, you take it and write in the PL appropriation debit side once done. And this 10% will be second time recorded in balance sheet liability side with the original reserve fund of 10,000. So
Yes, sir.
reserve fund is given in the trial balance credit side. There is no confusion. It will be going to balance sheet liability side. That is given only once. But whatever is given in the adjustment, it will be two treatments. How two treatments? You take 10% of net profit. Net profit is already calculated in PL account. So that is coming to PL Pro credit side. You take 10% of that. And then you put in the PL Pro debit side. And this will be again added to the reserve fund on the liability side of the balance sheet. Any doubt?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. But you please practice at home. And any one person may ask me question. Always try to keep some questions to ask me in question answer session. This is a very important session. Remember this question answer session. And you don't know which person is having which doubt. So if you share these questions, this will be very helpful. I'll be answering, and even other students will be getting benefit out of it also. So please maintain your list of your doubts, and I'm open to answer these questions, your doubts. So anybody having anything like that today? Anybody having any other question like this today? Hello? No.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Then
sir.
okay. So if it is no, then what to do? I wind up today. Tell me. Neha, I wind
Okay,
up
sir.
today. Okay then. Okay then. So
Yes, sir.
so next class this way again I'll be taking and giving you link much in advance. But you remember the time. You have got in Telegram group. I've given Tuesday and Thursday 8 p.m. I've given that. If sometime due to certain reasons I change the date or time, I'll be informing. Otherwise, this will remain fixed. And I'll be sharing the link a little bit earlier, no problem, because you know the time. You prepare yourself. It will be a discipline, and regularly you can join that way. It will be practice for you, and you'll be liking to do this. And with some more questions and with your doubts, we'll be meeting on Tuesday, 8 p.m. So thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you like my classes.
Thank you,
Hope
sir.
you like my classes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
This
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. And these types of interaction, hope you like.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And-
sir. Yes, sir.
And you can also suggest me that day you suggested me two suggestions you gave. You gave me one suggestion, sir, you please share the link much earlier, sufficiently advanced. I admitted. And one more student said, sir, can there be more than one class? I said, okay, done. So two classes I'm giving every week. And if necessary, I am there for you. And we should be going ahead like this. And now regarding sharing the link in advance, there is no doubt because I have already given the dates in advance, Tuesday and Thursday. And link I'll be sharing just before that, no problem. I can share much earlier also. I can share 10 minutes earlier also. It doesn't matter most, doesn't matter. And if for any reason I reschedule the class, I'll be informing you. So thank you very much. Stay blessed always and
Thank you,
stay
sir.
safe always with all your family members. Take care of your family members and yourself. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Good
Thank
night.
you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Welcome.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.